to put those doors for the safety of guests.
To keep tabs on the 3 local prides, 1 lion from each pride is radio collared. Tracking them in this way isn't just helpful for tourists. It also helps ensure the cats aren't causing trouble.
Sometimes they go and attack the cattle out there. But since we've collared some, we have our rangers, and every day and sometimes even nighttime, they make sure they try to follow up and find where they are. In case they do attack the cattle, we know at least which pride did that.
Ole Kitanga, a Maasai elder from this community, has had to kill many lions to protect his livestock. One encounter was particularly dramatic.
I ran down this way and spared the lion as he pinned down my cow. He jumped up and tried to bite me. I held him by his mouth and fought him with all my strength. I suffered these injuries on my hand and arm.
Scarred for life, he is still willing to make peace with his enemy.
The local people are tolerant with them because we are benefiting direct from them. We normally say we are milking, it's like a cow. You're milking a lion in the wild because tourists come, they take pictures, they see them very happy and they give us money. So the members are very tolerant to the lions.
He may have been a Maasai warrior and lion slayer, but Ole Kitanga is now on the board of Ilingwesi's conservation project. He's willing to tolerate lions if he can benefit financially.
We don't kill lions anymore because they are beneficial to us. The profits from the tourist lodge provide us with money to educate our children and pesticides to protect our cattle. Most of our problems have been solved thanks to the lion.
Ilingwesi's conservation plan has successfully encouraged the community to value and protect their wildlife.
I would like other people to come up with such an idea like we have. If other communities in Africa would copy this, I'm sure there will be safety for the lions.
What does the future hold for lions? Outside of wildlife parks, it seems clear they will only be able to roam wild if they are of value to people. Positive initiatives like Ilingwesi that encourage community conservation deserve support. But in less scenic areas and where tourism is unreliable, will Africans turn to more controversial solutions? Many people disagree on the solutions to living with lions, but there's no debate that lions need our protection and they need space to roam freely.
I simply can't imagine the Masai Mara without wild lions. And for as long as you've got areas such as this which are protected, then I think there's a future for lions. Given the chance, they can breed like rabbits. And so their ability to actually repopulate an area is enormous.
Lions are living in difficult times when even kings must find a way to earn their keep. As tourist attraction or trophy, they must compete for a place in our world. Ultimately, it's their ability to impress us that holds their kingdom together. Long may they reign.
This nature program is available on DVD for $19.99 plus shipping. To order, call 1-800-336-1917. Major funding for nature is provided by Canon. Take your inspiration from nature. Leave it untouched by your presence. capture its image, and preserve it forever. Canon, dedicated to preserving the never-ending beauty of our environment. Major funding also provided by Toyota.
Can a car company grow in harmony with the environment? Why not? At Toyota, we're not only working toward cars with zero emissions, we're also striving for zero waste in everything else we do. Because the best way to have an impact on the environment is to have as little impact as possible.
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Next time on Nature, the mountains of Montana where wild horses roam. Into this perilous world, a cult is born. A legend in the making.
To learn more about what you've seen on this nature program, visit pbs.org.